So someone filed a protective order against you, and you're not sure what to do as far as if you can communicate with them, and if so, how. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by talking just a little bit about what to do and how to handle yourself if you're facing a protective order. So I specifically want to talk about reaching out via text message, because here's the deal. A protective order can be violated very easily. Any sort of direct communication between you and the person that filed for a protective order against you can and will be considered a violation. Now, this is bad for a couple of reasons. One, obviously, if maybe you just got served with an emergency protective order and the case is just now getting started, violating that EPO is really going to make a very strong case for a final order being entered against you for at least 5 years. You don't want that. I don't want that as an attorney. No one wants to have to deal with that. So, what do? The simplest answer is to just not talk to them. You don't want to mess with getting a protective order violation. You don't want to mess with, strengthening their case. You dang sure don't want to mess with picking up a misdemeanor charge for PO violation, because that's also on the table. Like there's literally a crime for violating a protective order. It starts off as a misdemeanor and it ratchets all the way up to felony stalking. You don't want to open that can of worms. It doesn't help anyone. So the easiest and simplest solution is don't do it. And don't even do it indirectly. So don't send a text, don't send an email, don't send a Facebook message, don't hit them up on Snapchat or Instagram or whatever else the kids are using these days. Just don't do it. It's not worth it. And don't have your friends do it either. What I mean is, let's say you have a protective order against you and your buddy Billy wants to try to advocate for you really hard. So he starts lighting up the person that filed the protective order against you. If he's doing it on his own, that's one thing. That's between him, the petitioner, and God, quite frankly. But if he's doing it on your behalf, or if it can be shown that he's doing it on your behalf, that still constitutes a violation of the order, because you are directly or indirectly communicating with the other person. You can't do it. Don't send a text, don't send an email, don't send your buddy with a message. Just don't do it. It's not worth it. It's only going to create more problems for you. If you have questions about this, definitely give me a call. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.